Ulta had an after Advent calendar, counting down into the new year. It was a $20 calendar, 7 days, value of $50. Let's see what we've got. This could come in handy for a lot of folks. A pack of under-eye patches from Patchology, Restoring Night Eye Gels. Definitely glad to see this. Oh yes, that could be cool and refreshing. This is from Origins. It is checks and balances. It is a cleanser, and although it looks separated, it's the type where you have to give it a little shake, 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 shake to mix up the ingredients each time you use it. I enjoy the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Serum. I didn't know there was a cleanser available. Oh, looky there, looky there. Yes. So glad to be able to give this a try. It's 1 ounce. That'll be enough to see if I like it. And a lot of times his products in 1 ounce or less, they go a long way. So this is the anti-aging cleansing gel. Helps viably brighten with glycolic acid and fruit extract. From Philosophy, we have hope. This is a Smooth Glow Multitasking Moisturizer with provitamin, glycolic, and hyaluronic acids. And I know this is designed for the face and it's an itty-bitty little size. I sometimes find these make great hand lotions. Oh yeah, I want to try it on a hoof. Okay, you can try it on a hoof. From Kiehl's, we have the Ultra Facial Cream. That'll be nice leading into the new year. Yes, it will. These next 2 items, I was not familiar with these brands. Oh, good. We get something new to learn about. Okay, so we have Slick Skin Lipid-Rich Gua Sha Serum. I didn't know you were supposed to use a special serum when you used your gua sha. I didn't know that either. So here it is. It says you're supposed to apply 3 to 5 drops and then massage it into the skin with your gua sha. So I looked up some pricing because I was not familiar with this brand. And 1 ounce, $22, which is a very reasonable price to a point. I was expecting 1 ounce to be a lot more than that. So 1 ounce is $22. What we have here is 0.34 of an ounce. So we are holding $7.48. But it's worth a try. Yeah. This brand is called Dime. It is a dewy day cream. I'm not familiar with this brand at all. I did take a sniff. I don't get much of a scent. My allergies appreciate that one. Yay. So we looked it up, and 1.7 ounces, $38. Ooh. Skincare ain't cheap. So what we are holding at 0.1 ounce is $2.24 for Dime. That is one neat thing about all these calendars. If you're not familiar with the brand, you can try the sample size and see if you even like it without investing the big bucks. What did you see that you liked? We're happy with everything in this one. We hope everybody has had a safe and happy holiday season. We're heading into the new year. I can't believe it. I can't believe it either. So they said there would be a value of $50. I think they met that value. especially with those two bougie creams. And what would I do differently? Instead of 2 cleansers, I might have done a lip balm or a lip oil. Oh, that's a good point. And instead of 4 moisturizers, in as much as I'm tickled to try the brands I don't know about, instead of 4 moisturizers, maybe make one of them a cuticle oil? It's a thought. Let us know what you think. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share with others. We're trying to boost up our channel, and we will see you in the new year. We have a couple more things coming in the shorts feed, so if you haven't seen all of our shorts this holiday season, go back and check those out. They're fun. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you later. Bye-bye. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.